Hi Adesh, welcome to this feedback session. How are you doing today?
Yes, sir. I'm fine today, sir. I'm feeling very good today.
Great.
Uh, Thank
So
you,
for the
sir.
viewers who are watching this video, we have Mr. Adesh today. Adesh enrolled for multi-track program with I-MEDITA. He is still pursuing that course, and recently he got an opportunity with Liquid Intelligent Technologies into the networking and security domain, and he got selected there. So today we are going to discuss about his experience during the training program, what kind of approach he took for the interview preparation, and other things related to his experience here at I-MEDITA. So Adesh, first of all, many heartiest congratulations for getting your first job as a fresher into the networking and security domain. So how it feels like?
Sir, feeling very good having a first job in networking and like company like Liquid Intelligent. Feeling very nice and thank you for giving me this opportunity as I am a student of multi-track and as I am currently pursuing the course of CCNP. It's not completed yet. Still, I get a opportunity, and I'm able to crack that. So I'm very feeling good, and thank you for the I-MEDITA for giving me this opportunity.
So how was your overall experience during the training program?
So experience was very nice. When I joined the CCNA, I start learning the CCNA, and then I start get a CCNP batch. So I will tell everyone that when you learning CCNA, go with the conceptual, and I always I always try to learn the concepts and then I apply on the practical. So when you are doing the practicals, lot of concept and lot of doubts you get clears. So
Hmm.
always I prefer to do practical salvage of CCNA and as well as CCNP. So that's to help me, and the trainers also very good. I always go to my trainer to ask them doubt, and they always help me in this training.
Okay,
So my experience was very nice in this field.
great, great. And on a general basis, on a daily basis, how much time you spent with your live classes, lab practicals, self-study? So how much time you were giving for your entire training?
Okay, sir. When I am doing CCNP, my class was in morning 8 p.m.
8
8
a.m.
a.m.
8 a.m.
So
to
yes, 8 a.m. So for that class, I come in the morning, and after that 8 to 10 a.m. my class completed. Then I stay here in the IMETA and do self study. So from the 10 15 minute I take break, and then what I start preparing my I start studying. I do previous lectures and then did practicals. Then if there any doubt happen in the practical, I ask in the lab ma'am like snail ma'am, or I go to the lab, my trainer, and I ask them all doubts. So where I get clear my doubts. So first I do previous lectures, then I do practicals like that, like this, and I up to morning 8 p.m. 8 a.m. to evening 8 p.m. I stay in the lab up to 12 hours, take breaks in middle, and up to 12 hours I do study in this lab only.
Okay,
So where I get more knowledge and
okay,
clear my doubts.
fine. Also, from which all trainers you took your classes? CCNA you took from which trainer?
CCNA I took from Saurabh sir, sorry, Surendra sir, and CCNP I took from Vikas sir.
So how was your
Both
experience with both the trainers, Suren sir and Vikas sir?
both the trainers are absolutely good, sir. Saurabh sir, Surendra sir also helped me a lot in CCNA, and Vikas sir also helped me a lot in CCNP. I always connect them for my doubts. I always ask them my doubts. Surendra sir also and Vikas sir also. Now, they always help me to clear my doubts at any time.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
great. And can you tell us a little bit about yourself, your background into the industry or your education? You are a fresher, so can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Yes, sir. Basically, my name is Adesh Khaladkar. I completed my Bachelor of Engineering degree in Electronics and Telecommunication. I am an engineer, a telecom engineer. I come from a small village, Nanga village, which is stay in Down Taluka in Pune district. My father is a farmer, so my background, income background is a farming only. Where I come, where I come from. So after the completion my graduation, I get to know about the I-MEDITA and I want to do the career in networking. So the I-MEDITA is absolutely good platform or good institute for this field. There is I search many institute for this, but there is no better than I-MEDITA. So I come here, join the I-MEDITA, take the multi-track course, and completed my CCNA and CCNP, and after that I got the place. I got the opportunity in liquid intelligence, and I am able to crack that, and I got placement from I-MEDITA.
Just for the viewers' information, in the multi-track program, we cover CCNA, CCNP, Network Security Foundation. In Network Security Foundation, we cover old previously CCNA security content, wherein we cover about network security concepts, perimeter security concepts, firewall concepts, VPN concepts. We have also added some concepts of basic FortiGate checkpoint and other firewalls. And in the multi-track program, then we cover one next generation in-depth firewall, which is Palo Alto, wherein we cover PCNS and PCNSE in a mixed format. So as of now, Adesh has completed only CCNA and CCNP and got placed with the company during the program itself. And the remaining course, he'll continue maybe during weekends or whenever he is going to take out time for the remaining program. So Adesh, I would like to know from your end, uh, you mentioned that you were spending 12 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours on a general basis for your entire learning purposes. So what are the 3, 4 major things you liked here at I-MEDITA?
So three, four major things I like in I mean like this I-MEDITA training. It's so good, sir. The trainer are very much very nice, and how the way they are giving training us, it's so good, sir. Like this training or like this lecture I didn't get in my college also. So training is so good, sir. A lot of concept clear in the live lecture only. After that, if any doubt, I got any doubt or anything difficulties happens, I go to any sir, any trainer. You can go and ask them. They can clear your doubts. Uh, Whatever you are taking training or this training or others, it doesn't matter. You can clear your doubts. And sir, the labs are 24 by 7 available. So whenever you want, sometimes in weekend I come for a night also, stay a whole night for here and do my studies and practicals. That also happens. And you got devices like manual virtual manual devices for handling and for your practical purpose. So that things most I love in the I-MEDITA.
Okay. And during a training program, did you got all the required study material, lab workbooks, notes, and everything
Yes,
related
sir.
to your training and interview preparation?
Yes, sir. That's also helped me a lot. Like here, training material also very good, like CCNA books, CCNP books, and one more thing is in a multi-track, like my PD session. That also helped me. Before this intro, I joined the PD session where a lot of things. My English is become good, and my confidence also develop. And how I am to crack the intros like HR rounds and all. That's helped me in PD session also, and lab materials and everything was too very nice, sir.
Okay. You attended technical interview preparation classes by Baldev sir also?
Yes, sir, I attended technical preparation classes. That also helped me uh, for this. That also very good. They take classes, technical classes. They prepare yourself like how to give answers of any questions, all the definitions, and everything.
Okay. How was the interview process with this company? How many rounds were there?
Okay, so after we go to the interview, the first round is HR round, while they check how's your communication. From there, I HR I get selected in HR round. Then there is a three managers. where three vacancies are available. First day there is only three vacancies, three manager available. So we have interview with three all three managers where who them like they will take it. So first of all we give interview for three managers. We are selected for next round. Then next of when they call us on the Tuesday after 14 December. On that day there is a main manager where we have to give interview front of them. So they selected shortlisted some of students, and then there also one vacancy available. They want a experienced candidate, but how they look us, how we are more knowledgeable, they take from between us only. So there is four vacancies, and all we four got selected. I got selected in the where they want a experienced candidate. They took me for there. So there is a four round we have for four manager and one for main manager. So I give 5 rounds of interviews.
Great, great. And this was your first interview, right?
Yes, sir. This was my first interview of my life. This is the
Okay.
first interview, and I get
Feels
selected.
good when
So I'm
you prepare so hard, when you give your 100% for all these things only. And during the first interview itself, when you get a positive result, when you get a job, when you get a selection, your confidence automatically goes up, right? So,
so
based,
I was
hmm,
now from the forward I will stay connect with the I-MEDITA, and after that after my job, if I want to go for higher, I will stay connect with the I-MEDITA and Saurabh sir.
um, how you got to know about I-MEDITA? Because this is the first time you're enrolling, you're doing courses with I-MEDITA. So, how you got to know?
When I was searching my careers options, so I decided go with the networking. So I search about the networking field. So then I decided for networking. Then where I have to do course. I am searching for that. Then I get to know in from Google, and there is an institute like I-MEDITA. Lot of institute in also where I stay in city. There are also lot of institute in the FC Road Vagara. I go there, but I don't like them. The way I-MEDITA is teaching, the training I-MEDITA is giving, I do the demo lecture of them. So this I-MEDITA is very good platform for the networking. This is a very good institute for the networking. The training is best. Their learning material is best. Their PD session is best. Everything is best, and their placement is also best. So I came here and I joined the multi-track.
Okay, great. Based on your experience throughout the training program, how would you rate our training and services on a scale of 10?
10 out of 10, sir. There is no its comparison for IMET and this training, sir. 10 out of 10.
Okay. And any suggestion, any feedback from your end through which we might improve our training and services in future? Anything which you would like to mention?
No, sir. This already it's too good, sir. There is not any feedback for getting better. Sir. Already it's nice, sir.
Thank you, Adesh. Thank you for giving us your valuable time. It's all your hard work, it's all your dedication, it's all your passion for this domain. But whatever you have learned is just the basic of this particular domain. This domain is endless, connected with a lot of other domains. So keep learning, keep upskilling yourself, complete your this particular course, give your best for your this job. Being a fresher, company expect a lot of energy, a lot of new learnings from you. So support your seniors, give your 100%. At the same time, continue your learning, upskill yourself. Rest, we are always there to help you. Stay connected. All the best again.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day.